Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, here I am, Fitri Aryani, as moderator, and my friend namely is Luciana and Siti Mahfudoh will present a presentation about CSR that stands at the Aqua Company, namely PT Tirta Investama. PT Tirta Investama aims to see the effects of corporate social responsibility on brand image and consumer loyalty. PT Tirta Investama knows the company social program. The result of this study indicates that corporate social responsibility has a positive effect on brand image. The result of this study also show that social responsibility has a positive effect on consumer loyalty. The first speaker will be delivered by Siti Mahfudoh. The second speaker was delivered by Fitri Aryani, and the last speaker will be delivered by Luciana. Alright, for reading the material, I invite.
What is corporate social responsibility? What is corporate social responsibility? By paying attention to CSR, the company is not only oriented to the finance of the corporate single bottom line but also focus on the balance between financial aspect, social aspect, and environmental aspect triple bottom line. The synergy of these three K is the concept on sustainable development and community environment. This study has three aims. First, to describe and analyze the regulation of CSR in companies engaged in natural resources. Second, to describe Kanglin Batang Baru Kayu Aro. Third, to describe and analyze the factor that hamper the development of CSR strategy by PT Tirta Investama Danone Aqua. This study uses an empirical juridical research method to see how the company engaged natural research apply the strategies and principles of corporate social responsibility in realizing the community development around the company. The final result that will be achieved is the CSR program by PT Tirta Investama Kayu Aro will have a better focus on the community development and sustainable environmental development program entrusted to the Indonesian Family Planning Association PKBI West Sumatra Province. This institution shall responsible in conducting the CSR strategies in the society and community located around the company location. Businer Insider defines CSR as the commitment of business to contribute to sustainable economic development, working with employees and their representatives, the local community and society at large to improve quality of life in ways that are both good for business and good for development. An example CSR by own organization.
Example CSR by an organization. The importance of CSR for a company and society. For company, CSR profit many benefits including improve the image of the company in eyes of the public and the public. There is potential to develop cooperation with other companies, can differentiate the company from its competitors, strengthening the company brand in the eyes of the public and the public. Benefit of CSR for society. Well, the benefit of CSR for the company are increased human resource capacity of the community, improve the welfare of the surrounding company, improving the sustainability of both the environment of physical as well as social and cultural around the company. The construction and maintenance of public facilities and community facilities of a social nature that are useful for the community, especially those around the company.
Why do you think CSR is important? CSR is important because it aims to provide value to society, participate in environmental awareness, and improve the welfare and productivity of employees working in the company. 17 KHT 2 million trees planted, agricultural irrigation, restoration, more than 6,000 irrigation canals were rehabilitated and 28 floodgates installed. Increase access to clean water for community around operational areas. A total of 1,300 people were recorded as beneficiaries of access to clean water in 17 villages and 17 cities districts. Sustainable farming practices. CSR program in Aqua Company, maternal and child health program among them, Smart Park, Sariusada Dancing Water Park, West and East Early Childhood Zone and Aqua Water Zone are interactive facilities for children to play and learn. Healthy children's tasks located in 124 points in Indonesia have trained 270 teachers through 124 trainings. Found 1,000 protect river areas that improve water quality, quantity, and access. Conservation 250 bioforest and infiltration wells, 1,300 beneficiaries and 320 hectares of land have been successfully converted into organic farmland. Then the rich products from organic farming with the Orisa brand are sold through Aqua Home Service spread across Jakarta and West Jakarta. Reduce CO2, environmentally friendly packaging, decrease in packaging ratio 17% since 2005. Packaging reselling 46 revisi to 100 fewer airfit. Ensure suppliers respect social and environmental principles and human rights. Donan, Indonesia has success in reducing CO2 by 22 since 2008, create and increase job opportunity. 2 million people are affected by our business, starting from suppliers, distributors, shops, and street vendors. 750 acknowledged target to double it by 20,200. 44 scavengers, 75 women working in the reselling business unit receive health facilities such as BPJS as well as a monthly salary. 2,200 beneficiaries of economic development, 117 business units, 5 cooperative IDR, 1.5 billion credit. Thank you.
That's the reason of our group discussion, which explains about CSR that stands from the Aqua Company. We acknowledge profusely if there are shortcomings and mistakes. We resign so much and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.